Well, hello everyone. Happy to be back and so glad you could join us. Thank you so much for being here. This is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we are about to start. As you know, we like to jump right in. What do we have here? Well, today we're going to be doing a Dutch pour using a 12 by 24 inch canvas. And what we have by way of a base color is a combination of the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White mixed with the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Blue and Floetrol in water to the desired consistency. I will list those colors in the description box below. Let me just grab a hold of the bottles. In case you're new and you're not aware what we're talking about, it's these two colors. They're both of the same family. They're both Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White and the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Blue, both mixed in with water and Floetrol to give us this beautiful light blue color that we have here. You can see that consistency. Just runs right off our stir stick. This will be our base color, and we're going to go ahead and lay that down, and then we will introduce our layering colors to the canvas. Give you a chance to see what we're using by way of paint. We're going to spread this out with our spatula. Let's see, here we go. Take that and just kind of wipe right across the top and over off the sides, making sure we have full coverage all the way around, side to side, edge to edge, corner to corner. I have not used this color combination before, blending the two colors together, so I'm going to be excited to see how this dries and how well the overall design comes out. Okay, we're getting there. We're almost there with coverage on this side and on our sides here. Definitely want to check all the way around to get paint clear across our canvas, making certain that all the canvas is covered before we lay our paints down, so we can have a flawless foundation to work with, critical to ensuring we have a beautiful outcome. So just about have coverage all over, just needing to get a few areas covered. Okay, so there we have just about all of this covered pretty nice and evenly. Just going to go through and got quite a bit of paint on here, so we want to make sure we have enough to move, but we also want to make sure that it can dry evenly, so we're spreading this paint out, corner to corner, edge to edge. Normally I use black or white as a base color, and so I thought I would switch it up today and mix up the two to see if we could do something with a light blue. And I like the light blue that we got, and we're going to see what happens with it as it takes us into our design. Okay, for now, I think we're pretty good. We may have to do some touch up here or there, but we're going to get this paint going. Excuse me. And we will put our paints on the canvas, introducing them to you as we lay them down. Clean that off. All right, we're almost there, ready to start with our layering colors and anticipating that they will come out very nicely. Joining us today for our amazing party. Before we do, let's do the popping of air bubbles and looking for any debris that may have found its way into our paint. And it is an uninvited guest by all means, and we do not want it to come in and wreck our party. So we want to have a nice flawless foundation to begin with. So let's make sure of that. Okay, we have in this cup the Liquitex Basics Dioxamine Purple, and we're going to be using that as one of our layering colors. You can see how nice and pretty and dark and rich that is. Love this color. All the colors used today are again mixed with Floetrol and water, and they will be listed in our description box below. We're going to take and pull this across our canvas. And we'll put a little more here. Okay. Oh, we got a few sprinkles. Okay. And we're going to also take the Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, which is a dark color as well. Put that right on top of the Dioxamine Purple. We're going to use some, oh, I'm touching this all over. Making crazy mistakes here. All right. We're going to also take some Artist Loft Quick Flow White, which is the same white we mixed this with to get the blue, and put that in here. Along with the Grumbacher Thalo Blue. And Artist Loft Metallic Blue. Pretty, pretty color. We're also going to use Liquitex Basics Cadmium Deep Yellow Hue. And we're also using the Artist Loft Deep Yellow. So we should have lots of yellow on that inside. I'm going to wrap back around with our permanent blue violet. And there we have our layering colors. We'll see what this design brings us. We are going to take and torch and we're ready to use our blow dryer to blow this out to see what kind of design we come up with. So let's get going. I am going to start in this upper right hand corner, and we'll blow out. Normally I end that way, but I'm going to start that way now and see where it takes us, and we'll come back this way. I was wanting the yellow to be inside, and I've got it right in the middle. I want to pull some of this into that. So I'm going to, this got a little bit muddy there, and I don't like the way it came off over there. So we're going to just try to make some adjustments here. I really like the deep colors, and the combination of colors together really are phenomenal. We're going to try to get this deep richness to continue. I really, really like the outer edges, how we got both of those going. I think I want to actually just take this off. Could stay, but I really want to make sure I get some deeper color here. And I'm going to blow some deeper color into that. Let's get this cleaned up. All right. I over blew this more than I normally would, and it kind of looked a little muddy. Not completely, but it was getting there. So I just prefer not to let it stay that way. See if we can maybe just pull this over, off. Let's see where it takes us. Okay. Cover that up like that. All right. Same thing here. We want to cover these up, edges up good. Get enough blue along the side. And I want this to be a little darker. So I'm going to go back in here along our baseline with our colors that we started with. Let's see, I think I can put this down. A little bit of white in here, and we'll also put our deep yellows. Yep. Move everything aside. Okay, I want to get this blended nicely. Drop these air bubbles. Let's see if we can make these modifications to our design. All right, let's go with, got to wrap back around. Remember, we had the permanent violet, blue violet on top. All right, here we go. Now that, my friends, I think is amazing. I like a lot. Very, very colorful. really giving me what I wanted. I wanted that yellow in the middle. Got the highlights of the white around it beautifully. I'm very pleased with this one. Love this blue. Have a little bit of torching. See a few air bubbles, but not much. Not much. Let's grab a popsicle stick. I'm very pleased with this blue. It looks great. I imagine it's going to dry really well with the Artist Loft white being a common base color that we use. I'm sure the two together are going to be a nice blend of colors that dry well together. We're taking out some of this paint because we have quite a bit. I want to bring this design to rest as quick as possible because I do not want to lose this design. As you can see, I'm going to bring you in just a moment. You'll be able to see what I'm talking about, at least what I'm liking and seeing so far, and I hope you like it as well. Really, really like it. Okay, I'm going to clean this off. And bring you in for a close-up. Here we are, guys. We have made some minor adjustments to this design, and I just wanted you to be able to see how it comes out with those adjustments. I'm very pleased with it, and I hope you are as well. We added a little bit more color in some of those areas that could have gone a little muddy, but we just made sure that we captured those with more of the same color. Again, I hope you like it, and if you're interested, email me at anitawhiteloveyourart@gmail.com. If you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe. We'd love to have you join our party and be a part of our art journey. We enjoy having your comments and feedback, so we welcome them, and please leave them. And thank you so much for those of you who've already shared your input. Again, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and please subscribe so that we can be notifying you as to when we have each and every one of our video uploads. Until next time, keep loving your art and have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video upload. Bye.